SB 149-32291, SB 1517924, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 15220252. The dog cases, obviously, those cases are dismissed because of officer court in civil infractions, ma'am. And
you just heard a mountain of case numbers being read off. Then things got strange when the judge mentioned dog cases. But those few seconds were just the tip of a very expensive iceberg that's about to crash down. Candace Griffin is facing a legal nightmare. This isn't just one traffic ticket. It's a mountain of past due citations. As the numbers pile up, the stakes become clear. Hundreds in fines and the threat of permanent warrants. Why wait so long to fix her record? And what about those mysterious dog cases that suddenly disappeared? With her driving future on the line, attorney Cherika Harris is fighting for a clean slate before the judge loses patience and the bill comes due. If you want to see how the legal system handles a mountain of mistakes and how to spot a plea deal in action, hit subscribe. Let's head back to the beginning in Detroit.
This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Candace Griffin. Case number SB 155-75603, SB 131-66451, SB 141-76962, SB 147-5318, counts 1, 2, and 2, SB 149-20191, SB 149-32291, SB 1517924, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 152202252. SB 1540551. SB 1547594, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1675421, counts 1, 2, and V123718222, V123711922, 17333833, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Candace Griffin.
Cherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Griffin.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. I am happy to say Ms. Griffin does have a valid driver's license now.
Yes.
Some of the tickets, like I see the ones with Vickers, are going to be dismissed. I know Officer Wright was here. Officer Bush was here. Officer Williams was here. Corporal Spidell was here. I know Ratliff was here, I believe. I'll check that. Bender was here. Obviously Vickers is not here. I don't know if I saw Investigator Hoskins. Let me see on my list.
Oh, that's the dog case. Thought that was throughout.
Ms. Griffin, please. Bender is here. Wright is here. Lafada is here. Daniel was here. I don't know where they are now, so Ratliff was here. Some of them are still in the breakout room. Spidell. A. Williams. All right. You can sort it out for Ms. Griffin, Ms. Harris. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with her. You let us know what today is the date and time set for a trial. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right. Join the room. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Ms. Harris, I've given you an opportunity to speak to your client. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation. It would be 2 counts of allowing, 3 counts of improper plates, with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Your Honor, do you need which cases those would be?
I was just gonna try to pick the closest. If you have them, try to do that.
Okay.
Sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear you.
Hold on, let me take 1 second, okay? Let me take 1 second recess. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. I said, what did you do? What did you need clarification on, Ms. Williams Law?
Miss Harris asked you something. I just didn't hear your response.
She asked me, did I want to go over the pleas? Now, the ones with the officer, the dog cases, obviously, those cases are dismissed because the officer didn't show. Is that what your understanding is, Mrs. Harris?
I'm going to say yes. We discussed this was a plea and the remaining matters were being dismissed. But I would say yes if that officer did not appear.
All right, which ones the numbers? Why don't we do this? For purposes of this plea, will you stipulate, you want to take this deal, right, ma'am?
Yes.
You're not contesting, you won't be contesting that you got pulled over any of these times and received these tickets, are you?
No, sir.
And now you're not going to contest whether these tickets were improperly issued, were they?
No, I'm not.
All right. You want to stipulate to the faces of the ticket, Ms. Harris, for judicial economy as an accurate factual basis for these guilty pleas?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'll just find her guilty for the allowing for the driver's license never acquired, 5941, an improper plate for the no insurance misdemeanor. Based on the stipulation, I'll find her for the SP 152202252. It'll be allowing. I should just say allowing again instead of the 3. So, and then for the one SP 1517924. I'll say improper plate based on the stipulations. I'll find her guilty for those. So that's 3 allowings, and it's going to be 2. It's going to be 3 allowings and 2 improper plates instead of the way you had agreed upon, just for judicial economy. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. You owe a lot of money to the court in civil infractions, ma'am. And let's see what the sentence will be. I'll just give you a break, and I'm gonna fine you for 2 of these, okay? You owe a lot of money, 240 and 240. Dismiss upon payment. When can you pay? Well, listen, we'll do it like this. Instead of going there, let's set a review date for January the 5th, 2026 at 8:25. I'm marking the file allow payment plan. You do one of 2 things, Ms. Griffin. You pay the 480. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll have to pay any all reinstatement fees, if any. That's gonna save you hundreds of dollars. You pay, either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or close and upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse, and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
What's the total?
I don't know. It's gonna be $480 for today, but it's gonna be a whole lot more for what you left in your wake. Or get into that payment plan. Come back on January the 5th, the 2026 at 8:25. Let us know what you did, all right?
Okay, I can do a payment plan, so who do I make that with?
You have to come down to the courthouse and make up the payment plan.
Okay. But
All right, do that.
You said
Do that
480, but
January, do that before January the 5th, or on or before January.
okay, but that's my new court date, January the 5th at 8:30. A review.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a safe, happy holiday season, ma'am, and best of luck.
Thank you too. Bye-bye.
The judge made his final call. Candace walked away with a payment plan and several warrant fees completely waived. But did justice actually get served? Was this a fair resolution? Or did the court prioritize clearing the docket over real accountability? Comment below, Team Judge or Team Enforcement? Whose side are you on? If this deep dive into Detroit's court was helpful, hit like. Share this with anyone who loves real-life courtroom drama.